Fire. It dances and glows, it crackles and hisses. The mesmerizing dance of flames has captivated humans for millennia, drawing us in with its warmth and light. But what is fire, really? This question has intrigued scientists and laypeople alike for centuries. Fire is a chemical reaction, a fascinating interplay of elements that results in the phenomenon we see as flames. It's a rapid reaction between a substance and an oxidant, usually oxygen. This process, known as combustion, is fundamental to understanding fire. This process releases energy in the form of heat and light. The energy released is what we perceive as the warmth and brightness of fire. We see this as flames. These flames are the visible part of the fire, but there's much more happening beneath the surface. Fire is a powerful force of nature. It can spread rapidly, consuming everything in its path and transforming landscapes in a matter of hours. It can be dangerous, but it is also essential for life on Earth. Controlled fire has been a cornerstone of human civilization. We use fire for many things. From the simple act of cooking food to more complex industrial processes, fire plays a crucial role. We use it for cooking, transforming raw ingredients into delicious meals that nourish our bodies, for warmth and for light. Fire has been a source of comfort and security, especially in the cold and dark. Fire helped us evolve as a species. The ability to control fire marked a significant turning point in human history. It allowed us to cook food, which made it easier to digest. Cooking food not only made it safer to eat, but also unlocked more nutrients. This gave us more energy and helped our brains develop. The increased caloric intake from cooked food is believed to have contributed to the growth of our brains. Fire also protected us from predators and the cold. The light and heat from a fire can deter wild animals and provide a safe haven in the wilderness. Understanding how fire works is crucial for safety. Knowledge of fire's behavior and properties can help us prevent accidents and handle emergencies. By knowing the elements of fire, we can learn to control it and prevent dangerous situations. Fire safety education is essential in both homes and workplaces. We can also use this knowledge to put out fires and keep ourselves and our communities safe. Firefighters and safety professionals dedicate their lives to understanding and combating fire, ensuring our safety and well-being. To start a fire, you need three things: heat, fuel, and oxygen. These three elements make up what is called the fire triangle. The fire triangle is a simple model for understanding the necessary ingredients for most fires. It is a fundamental concept in fire safety and firefighting. Remove any one of these and the fire goes out. This is because the fire cannot sustain itself without all three components. For example, if you remove the heat, the fire will cool down and eventually extinguish. This simple concept is the foundation of fire safety. Understanding how the fire triangle works can help prevent fires from starting and spreading. It is essential knowledge for anyone who wants to be prepared for fire emergencies. Heat provides the energy needed to start the chemical reaction of fire. This heat can come from various sources such as a match, a blowtorch, or even the sun's rays focused through a magnifying glass. Fuel is anything that burns, like wood, paper, or gasoline. Different fuels have different burning characteristics. For instance, wood burns slowly and steadily, while gasoline ignites quickly and burns intensely. Oxygen, present in the air around us, is essential for the combustion process. Without oxygen, the chemical reaction that produces fire cannot occur. This is why fires often struggle to burn in enclosed spaces with limited airflow. Each element of the triangle depends on the others. If one element is missing, the fire cannot continue to burn. This interdependence is what makes the fire triangle such a powerful tool for understanding and controlling fires. Understanding the fire triangle is vital for extinguishing fires. By knowing how each element contributes to the fire, firefighters can develop effective strategies to combat it. Firefighters use this knowledge to eliminate one or more sides of the triangle. They are trained to assess the situation and determine the best way to disrupt the fire triangle. They might spray water to remove heat, which cools down the fire and slows the chemical reaction, or use foam to cut off the oxygen supply. Foam creates a barrier between the fuel and the air, effectively smothering the fire. By breaking the triangle,